Hey, it's Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this 9-drawer dresser that we're gonna redo. So hit that subscribe button and let's get this project started. Alright, this dresser has seen better days, and well, I can understand why. It's had quite a few owners, it's changed hands quite a bit, and the dings and the dents and the paint wear or the stain wear on it is pretty rough on it. But the structure, the actual forms of the drawers, everything is in good shape. So, well, just a nice simple sand and a paint is going to bring this piece back to life, and that's what we want. So we're going to spend the next probably 4 hours redoing this piece, and we'll sell it at the end. So the first thing we're going to do, remove all the hardware, which is all intact, perfect. Remove that, we'll pull the drawers, we'll check the subframe, make sure all the tracks are there, make sure they're all opening and closing nice. We'll sand it down, we'll wipe it out, vacuum it out, paint it, scuff it up a little bit, give it a nice vintage look. We'll wax seal it, and well, the end result is going to be quite amazing, I hope. So let's get started by removing that hardware. Alright, we got the hardware off, got the drawers out, and the frame looks good, the subframe looks good, all the tracks looks good, so we can move on to sanding. So, got my DeWalt sander, 80 grit sandpaper, got a mask, and we're just going to scuff sand that, which means we don't have to take it down to bare wood. What we're trying to do is create grooves, kind of give it a dull look so that paint can stick even nicer. So, we'll do the entire piece, whatever edges we can do with the DeWalt, we'll hand sand. Just give it a nice little grit, scuff marks on it, and we can move forward. Alright, we've vacuumed it out, wiped it down, and now we can start painting. Today, we're going to use our Behr Premium Plus. The color is called Very Navy, and the finish is Eggshell. We got our Wooster brush, 2-inch angle brush, short handle. We're going to do the drawers twice. We'll set them out in the sun. We'll work on this frame, put 2 coats on it, let it dry, and then we can move on to scuff sanding it, giving it that farm style look. So let's get started. Alright, we've let the paint dry, and now what we're going to do is scuff it up, give it a nice vintage farm style look with some old 80 grit sandpaper. Now this is a step that you definitely could skip if you wanted that solid look. You can go right into finalizing your piece with wax or polyurethane, whatever your heart desires. But here, we're going to scuff it up, give it a nice little aged look to it. So, go around the edges, we'll go with the same pattern as the grain or the same pattern as the paint. So here we go. Alright, here it is completed 9-drawer French style dresser. We did it in the color very navy. We scuffed it up, waxed it, and well, the end product is quite amazing. Definitely from the beginning to the end, quite the transformation. I hope the family that gets this, well, I hope they love it, cherish it, and it sticks out and becomes a piece that others will love in their house. If you like this project and many others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram. It definitely helps us out here. And well, we'll keep doing some cool projects for you guys.